Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to create an account for Chase Bank online. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is open your preferred browser, and then on the search box of the browser, go ahead and type chase.com. Once you've done that, you will be redirected to the Chase's official website, and the first thing you're going to see is open an account. Now there's different types of accounts that you can open on Chase, so go ahead and select the category that best fits you. Now go ahead, suppose if you want to open a checking account, go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to this page where you'll be able to select the type of plan that you'd like to apply for. Once you've decided on the plan you'd like to go for, go ahead and click on the button that reads Open Now below the plan that you want to select. Once you've done that, go ahead and follow the prompts that are provided to you by the Chase's official website. Suppose if you are a Chase customer, go ahead and select one of these two options and then click on Next. Once you've done that, go ahead and enter your identification. Enter your first name, your middle name, your last name, and then your suffix. Click on Next. Enter your birthday. Click on Next. Provide your email address. Enter your mobile number. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Next. Similarly, go ahead and fill out all the information that Chase asks of you. Once you've entered all your personal information, Chase will require you to verify your identity. It will use various methods to verify your identity, such as checking your social security number and comparing your information to public records database. Once you've done that, you'll be able to choose your opening deposit and review and agree to the terms. Finally, submit your application and your account will be activated. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.